Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, February 2nd, 7:30 p.m. Quick recap and an outlook for the rest of the week. Now, what I said on the outlook for Sunday for like the whole week basically came into play, came into fruition, and it happened all within that same day. Starting off with NQ, I had wanted to see a rate of consolidation lows, and we did get that. Um, and then from there, I was expecting, you could see here my arrows, I was expecting that. And then from there, I was expecting some bullishness from there to pop back up. So this would have been like the manipulation and then the distribution. And we got that all within the same day, within the start of the within the start of the week. So yeah, I thought it was very interesting, but there would have been a great trade opportunity that I did miss, to be honest. I did not take it. And it's kind of a gray area in my model, which I'll explain. But so you have Asia and London used to trade lower into the bottom end of that consolidation, which it's all this right here. And then right after that, London decides to distribute back up, and then from there we just continue higher. Now, what I was looking for was, I think this was the inversion. Yep. So this was the inversion right here, and this was the FVG created. But we had this 15-minute inversion with this leg higher, and then retracement to discount, which is also order block, which is also rejection block, right? Which I don't think we got rejection block, but either way, we still have two, three confluences. And then from there, we have change in state of delivery bullish right here, as well as inverting this. And then from there, we just continued higher. Now I can show you the MNQ real quick. Targeting that 4 hour, that 1 hour, just that previous day high, which was Friday. But the reason why I didn't take this trade actually was my model calls for some sort of 15-minute internal liquidity raid within some type of level, and this level for me was this 1 hour bearish, this 1 hour inversion, and this 1 hour bullish order block. So within that, I was looking for a 15-minute internal raid, and um, this happened at 8:30 where we put in equal lows, and I didn't consider that a liquidity raid. So I wanted to wait for 9:30 to see if 9:30 would sweep that low, but what 9:30 ended up doing was displacing higher to my target objective. And at further look, I noticed that this right here was a SMT where ES took that low. So something I need to back test, but an idea would be, hey, if we get that lower low on ES while NQ makes a equal low, do we really need to require a liquidity raid? Can we not consider this a liquidity raid? And then from there, do we need to wait till 9:30 because we already got the liquidity raid? So just something I really need to backtest because it's a very clear and pretty big gray area in my opinion. Something that's stopping me from executing a lot more trades. Um, I'm not. I'm a little annoyed, obviously, that I missed this trade. This would have helped me recover, but I can't really think in terms like that. I have to be a lot more patient and I have to think the bigger picture. But yeah, looking at the dollar, similar to what I mentioned on NQ, we did the same thing we wanted to see. We moved higher through this into this. through this imbalance into this FEG, and yeah, from there we started kind of rounding and moving lower maybe. Now from there maybe we continue higher, or maybe there we fall bearish, which continues to align with that bullish NQ right now. And on ZB was very interesting. It kind of did what we wanted, where I was looking for a move higher up into this FEG, which we got, which also I was looking to see if we would trade up into this imbalance, which we also got and we also respected, and then from there move lower. So it still is a decoupled market where ZB is doing something and NQ is doing something. Obviously, ZB closed bearish and NQ closed bullish. So still a lot to be careful about. From here, I really do want to see NQ continue higher. Honestly, maybe it moves lower into discount, accumulates, and then continues moving higher. But I like the top of this, the high right here. But you know, if we do get some type of rejection and start moving lower, I won't hesitate to enter shorts, because this is again that consolidation, breaking outside of it, and then moving back into the range. Hope you found this insightful. Have a great week. Take care. Be safe.